up in my head. Destiny's melody calling out to me. So what I'm gonna do is fall for you and walk out to the edge. Never the same, hope I will drain from you into the mist. I must admit, I come anew. Taking it further, I find here a murder with a piece of my mind as I'm caught in the twine between the roads of what's modern or old, bringing together the past and endeavor to restore what I love and wipe forever memories held in a dark reverie. Every wall, every place, something dark is following you here without a trace. Is it real or in your head? I guess you'll find out when you wake up back home again. Dreadfully, terribly, something is amiss. But don't you mind the feeling, it's all made up in your head. Destiny's melody calling out to me. But what I need